Sometimes we move through the day without ever truly seeing ourselves. Let's change that. Stand in front of a mirror. Just look at your reflection. Don't smile. Don't fix your posture. Don't try to look better. Just observe. What do you see in your eyes? What's the shape of your mouth? The tension in your face? The mood behind your expression? Now, let go of judgment and allow yourself to truly see what you usually overlook. Notice even the smallest movements, a twitch of the eyebrow, a shift in energy. Stay present. Ask yourself gently, how am I really right now? This simple act of presence can reconnect you to yourself. It brings clarity, calm, and emotional awareness. And that awareness is the first step to change. This is BreathingWay. See you tomorrow.